The most highly awaited Nikon camera in recent history has been the subject of rumors recently. Nikon Z8, it has endured a while, but it looks like the wait is ended. The Nikon Z8 may be released sooner than expected, and if the leaks are to be believed, it will have some rather impressive improvements. Are you interested in getting to know when Nikon's next camera, the Z8, will be released and what features it will have? You should see it through to the end. First, let's clear out when the Nikon Z8 will be launched, and also, what makes us think that. Recently, a Twitter account that happens to know a big Nikon dealer informed that she has been called to join a meeting next month by Nikon themselves, and it usually happens before any launching event. Perhaps this indicated the launch of a Nikon Z8 and also another anticipated camera from the Nikon lineup, the Z63. The information seems quite legitimate because Nikon does hold meetings with its dealer before launching any cameras. So, it's certain we will be seeing new products from Nikon within the next month. Talking about the Z63, its images have already been leaked. So, these leaked images do indicate that both the cameras are ready to launch and we are going to see them soon. But as for the specs, the Nikon Z8 is likely to boast an impressive 61-megapixel full-frame Exmor R BSI sensor, which is going to make it a direct competitor to the Sony A7R IV, which was announced in October 2022. What will make the Nikon Z8 even more capable, as it's likely to be powered by beyond XR and AI processing, this being paired up with the AI-based real-time autofocus system. Photographers will get the opportunity to capture excellent images with superb precision and accuracy, along with improved still images. The Nikon Z8 is also going to get a massive upgrade in video shooting mode. With the upcoming Nikon Z8, you will be able to capture 8K videos at 24 frames per second, and 4K at 60 FPS in 10-bit videos, and also 4K 16-bit RAW output with S-Log3 S-Cinetone. Moreover, there will be 9.4 million CVF with a 120 FPS refresh rate. And for more convenience, you will find a 3.2-inch 4-axis multi-angle touchscreen LCD display, so you get full control over your camera. Besides, the 10 FPS shooting with AF and a tracking combined with 8 stops 5-axis image stabilization, the Nikon Z8 can be a versatile and reliable camera, so that you can capture everything you want. No matter whether it's a fast-moving action scene or a still image of a beautiful portrait, Z8 will get you covered in every situation. Besides, more speculations suggest that the Nikon Z8 will switch to using dual CF Express Type B cards. These are larger and faster than the Type A style favored by Sony, marking it out as a more pro-like camera than the Z7 II, which has one CF Express slot and one ASD slot. But the good thing is, the Nikon Z8 is expected to be priced much lower than Nikon's last release C9, which cost around $3,900. So this gives an idea of how Nikon's next lineups are going to target mid-range consumers, and we are expecting a possible price tag of $2,500 for the Z8. In that case, what do you think of the Nikon Z8? Feel free to share your ideas in the comments, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel to stay on top of all the latest developments in the world of technology.